Mhm. For question 3, I got P, like the third answer.
Yeah, me too.
That's what I have.
And then
4,
4,
5, I put true.
yeah, me too.
Yep. And 6, I have 0.75.
Me too. 7 is 0.109. And then 8, I got 0.64.
9, I got 0.86.
Mm-hmm. Well, I already submitted mine and I rounded mine to 0.859 and I got it right. I mean, 0.86 was right too.
Yeah, I got that one right as well.
Okay.
So I guess either works.
And then 10, I got decreased.
Yeah.
11, I have 20.
Me too.
12 volt 100.
Mm-hmm. 13, I have true.
14 of 0.475.
Me too. 15, I got.
15.
Oh, sorry.
I was going to say negative 2.282.
Me too. 16, I got 0.011.
Mm-hmm.
And 17, reject the null.
And would 18 be the last one?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good.
That's what I got. So do we want to go over like the design the study thing?
Sure.
Yeah,
I mean, we don't have to, but
When did it say it was due?
the 24th, so we still have like 20 something days or like 15 days or something like that.
So maybe we should brainstorm and come up with ideas. Did you guys get the invitation to the Google Doc?
Yeah, I did.
I added myself.
Yeah, we could like come up with what we're gonna do. So like, do we fill out this whole like Word document and then send it back to her for approval? Is that what it is?
I think just our idea for the study. We have to get approved.
Okay. Well, I don't know, because number 9 it says describe in specific detail how your group will collect data. So I think we fill out this whole thing and then we send it to her. Because it's like, what are you planning on doing? Like, how do you plan on doing it? You know?
So you know how there's main writers for each parts.
Uh huh.
Designing the study, would that just be the person who signs up for that then, or do we all collaborate, or how does that work?
Oh yeah.
We all collaborate on it.
And then they
Because I
just
have
write up.
yeah. So the write up portion is because each during the semester you have different things that you turn in for specific design the study, collect the data, things like that. And then we just do each part, and then whoever does the PowerPoint at the end kind of combines it all.
Okay,
Okay.
but so are you saying we all work on each step, but one person?
Wait, no. So with this page, it's pretty much all of us.
For only step 1?
Yeah. So like what population we're studying, like all the way to step 7.
Yeah.
If that makes sense. And then it goes on to.
Okay, so I signed up for like designing the study. So
Okay.
does that mean I fill out like all the questions and we just answer them together and I'm just the one that fills them out? Is that kind of what you're saying?
Yeah.
Okay. That makes sense. So basically, okay, that makes sense.
And then, like for step 2, would we all collect data, or would it just be this person? Or
I think
we would
collect
all
it,
yeah, and
but
that
then you
person would
edit.
just compile it.
Yeah, yeah.
Like we'd give you the data and you'd run the tests and like figure out if it's the like we failed to rejected the null hypothesis, things like that.
Okay. And then step 3 is just like the math component. So would that person just do it, or? Then take action is like writing a couple paragraphs, but
Yeah. For the inference part, I think that most of it is all just like we do it together, and then the person that signed up for like which one just writes
okay.
like what we
That
talked
makes
about.
sense. Except maybe the PowerPoint. I guess we could all help.
Yeah, except for the PowerPoint. I mean, PowerPoint we do everything together anyway, and then they just put it all together.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
they're all like not hard, as long as we all.
Yeah. Okay.
So what is everybody doing? Sorry, I got on late.
Oh, you're fine.
We're just looking at the group project.
Yeah.
Does everyone decided what they're gonna do, or?
I said that I would write the design, like be the writer for the designing the study.
Okay.
Then I'm looking at it right now, and Kendall and Savannah have signed up for step 2, 3, and 4. I mean, sorry.
Where do you sign up? Is it just?
So Savannah sent out like a Google Docs thing to our emails. I don't know. Not all of us might have gotten it if you didn't respond in the text, but it's just like Google Docs thing, and then we fill it out.
Yeah, I got everyone's email, so you
Okay.
should have gotten it.
Yeah. Sorry, I just haven't looked at it yet.
There's a couple options.
Who wants to be the group leader? Because I one of those girls.
Would that be step 1, also group leader, or just anyone?
I don't know. It just says after you've designated which members of your group will be in charge of each step above, ask your group leader to submit this document with the names filled in. So I don't know.
I can submit it. That doesn't bother me.
Okay.
So after we all write our names on here, we submit it right after that? Is that what it's saying?
Yeah, well, because from what I've heard is we have to fill out all the information, and then there'll be a place for us to submit it.
Okay.
But I can email the instructor and see exactly what she wants, because we have to take that quiz. And I opened the quiz and looked at it, and we don't take it until after we've gotten approval.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I think that's our main goal right now.
So we should come up with our, like, what we're going to study today.
Yeah. Or by, like, Tuesday.
Yeah.
We could do it, like, next Tuesday and kind of collaborate, because we can message each other.
Exactly. Yeah, we should do that. And then we can fill out this one, and then Thursday maybe we can fill out the next thing. Or, like, submit.
Maybe is our goal to try to do, like, one every meeting, or I guess we can't really collect and describe data that fast. I guess
but
that's kind of the one that takes time. But other than that, there should be.
Yeah. But, like, I feel like, right, like, designing the study, like, I could write that up while we're talking about it in a meeting, and it wouldn't take that long.
Yeah.
So we should do that on Tuesday once we, like, figure out what we want to do, like, once we text about it and stuff.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, I think that sounds good.
Does that work for everybody?
And we need to, and figure out something that we can all do remotely.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Are we allowed to use the examples that she gives, or do we have to come up with our own?
I don't know.
Because if we could do, like, the whole...
At least.
We could do Skittles.
Oh, true.
To see if there's, like, an even...
Her main thing, she says if any of you try to do the Skittles or the M&M thing, that she won't approve it.
Okay.
Oh, she won't approve it?
Yeah.
What if we did, like, a different candy? Is that like something similar, you know?
Wheat tarts.
Yeah.
Did she send out an email about this whole design study thing? I haven't looked.
I don't think so. I think it's just on the. But yeah, she'll probably be getting a lot of emails, so maybe she'll send something out.
I'm a little confused on like what we're even supposed to be doing. Like,
Yeah, I mean, technically the last of it is due the last week of the semester, so we have a while. But we should probably like just get it out of the way.
Yeah.
Because what I've been told about the class is you do it step by step,
Yeah,
and the last thing that we do is compile it together in the PowerPoint.
yeah.
Yeah, that
Well,
makes
like-
sense. But it's not due till
Yeah.
the very end.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, the last part isn't.
Well,
due
the
till
last
both-
part isn't, but we have one due like every other
It
week.
looks like
Oh, I get it. So like there's different due dates for each step.
hmm
yeah, it looks like we don't really have a final exam either. We just have a test, like a normal test.
Okay.
So in theory, we could be done with the class a little earlier if we finish the project early. Be kind of
so pretty much we should all kind of like work together on each step, even though
yeah,
like,
and then one person's in charge of like kind of writing it up.
Yeah. So since like I'm in charge of the first step or whatever, I can write it out, but we'll be in a meeting while we're talking about it as I'm writing it out, if that makes sense.
Yeah, sounds good.
So maybe we should do one every Tuesday, like every
Yeah,
You know, like-
are there enough? Let me just check that.
oh yeah, there's not 45 fixing.
And we can do it
Okay, well,
Two.
like
on days
Step-
that we don't have meetings. Like we
Oh,
can
true.
collaborate. Because a lot of things like describe the data, only
Mhm.
one person's gonna be able to do that. We just give them the information and they create the
That's
test
true.
yeah, and step 3 and 4 can really be done like
by themselves.
together.
Yeah.
Well, like together, but by
Oh,
themselves.
yeah.
so I'll do step 2. I just put my
Okay.
name on it so I can do the collect and describe the data.
Sounds good.
Okay.
So I guess we'll just be thinking of ideas over the weekend and then try to
Figure it
finish
out.
step 1 on Tuesday.
Yeah, I think that works
Start
for
step
me.
2. Yeah.
It works for everybody else.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. All right, I'll see you guys on Tuesday then.
Okay.
All right,
Sounds good.
see ya.
See you guys soon.